Hello and welcome to StackersForex.com. This is an introductory video, an overview video to explain to you what this site is about and how it can benefit you in your Forex trading. The Stackers Forex site is based off of the Stackers philosophy. It's a way of trading that looks to pull out more point mileage off of your average moves. This means we look to be able to stack up potentially more pips and then keep stacking them in order to compound over time. And now we have taken the core Stackers FX system and have built upon that different strategies, different creative offshoots for cash flow, for day trading, and for strategic trading, so we can increase our opportunities. All right, so the Stackers method allows us to pretty much go into the markets, whether based off day bars or intraday bars or day trading bars such as 5-minute bars or even less, and identify a high probability opportunity where we can enter with a high potential winning rate and a specific magnetized profit target. Now see, with the Stackers method we have exact profit targets, and that's very nice. And our profit targets are not just based off some arbitrary number. These are polarized, magnetized profit targets where price action feels like it must achieve. Okay, it must achieve this next price. And because the markets feel that way and have done so for decades upon decades upon decades, that then we have an edge. Because the market has a need, then that means we can take advantage of it. I know it sounds all terrible, but it's okay. We are just trading, right? The market has a price action need. So we're here to say, okay, well, that's cool. We'll just buy low and sell high, and buy back low. And do it over and over and over and over and over. All right, so let's take a look. Now we decided just to put the products right on the front page. Okay, just instead of hiding them on a products link, but we have a products link as well. But you can see here we have the product box and the description. I think this is all fitting in here. Let me see. This may be cut off to the left a little bit. Let's see if I can move it over a little bit. Should fit. Here's the core system. Here's an addition to the main Stacker system, Cashflow FX. You can trade this on its own, or you can combine it with the original Stackers FX. Now, we have a system offshoot called Railgun. It's more of a strategy. And it can be traded systematically. The difference is a strategy is more of a one-time event. Strategic trading is more of a one-time event where we look to take the we look to see if we can guess the most optimized and best moves. Okay, we try to pick and choose the best moves. A system just doesn't care about the best moves. It just trades them all, trades all the moves, and we look to smash together all the moves to net ourselves out of profit. Okay, and the advantage of that is that you don't have to think. You just simply execute, and that's a very nice way to trade. Okay, so we go for the big move. Now, with the core Stackers, we're going for 1,000 pip moves too. All right, but this we can separate out from the specific parameters that are set up in here. These have different parameters and are able, and this method is able to take advantage of some big moves that happen outside the very systematic or rigid structure of the core Stackers FX. Okay, great, great system. Highly accurate too. Okay, we have Snapper. Okay, or Snaps 2.1, and this is a great little system. It takes the Stackers formula, and I've done a little tweak where we can crank out potential profits like this. Okay, it happens fairly quick, and it creates a nice positive feel, because we hit the register very often. Okay, and you can see the details on by clicking on the box or clicking on this link. And we have another strategy here, the stack hammer strategy. This allows you to identify a particular setup regarding a price range, and Stackers is based off of range trading. And we let you, we show you how to identify this setup, which can give you several opportunities, one after the other, with a good deal of precision. Now we have our two day trading systems here. This system is based off of a stacked time factor, and it enables you to pretty much go in at any time and identify the particular setup to go grab money out of the Forex market. Now this MOD is for money on demand. Now I know that sounds a little cheesy, but it is the end result concept we wanted. So unless you identify your end result concept, you're not going to be able to develop a strategy or system to meet that, or meet something close to it. Okay. Now, of course, you can't just go into the markets and say, "Give me money," but you can kind of do that, and we've developed an approach that's kind of like that, and that the opportunity with these MOD systems is very flexible, and pretty much any time of the day you can go into the markets and identify a setup and then have a trading opportunity. Okay, that's the opportunity with the systems, with the MOD philosophy, which is birthed out of the Stackers method. Okay, so it's all related, and it's pretty fascinating. It's very interesting stuff. Of course, there's always a tinge of creativity in my systems. Because why? Because I'm a creative guy. Okay, and plus, when you're creative, different things open up. All right, different opportunities. Sometimes you can develop a system that really does very, very well. Now, I would say all these systems here can do very, very well for you, and you can see by looking at the performance on the performance page. All right, so now this is an overview. We may add more products over time. Okay, we may take products away over time. I've been known to do that. If I'm starting to like a system a lot, I will take it, all right, because I will use it not only, well, I use almost every system in my various trading companies, but I will lock a system up and say, okay, we're going to use it, we have bigger plans for it, and it's gone. So when you see a system here, and this is not a marketing pitch, okay, when you see a system here and you think it's good, you may want to get it. This week I've already taken down 4 systems from another brand site. So you may want to, keep that in mind. That's all I'm saying. Anyways, when you see it there, it's available. Actually, if you see an add to cart button, you click it and you can buy it, then it's available. All right, if you buy it, we will give it to you. All right, but if the button's not there, then you can't buy it, so it's gone. All right, anyways, for now, what you do is you join our newsletter to get started. You need to know more. This may be your first time you've seen this. If you're not on this site, go to stackersforex.com. That's STACKERSFOREX.com. And if you're here, once you're here, join the newsletter. There should be a pop-up or some opt-in form on the page, and just get on that, because we're going to inform you about our products, our new developments, and just tips in general how to trade Forex well. We're going to we'll send out offers from time to time, special deals, okay? But most of all, you need to get more familiar with the opportunity here, because it's a very real opportunity, and to not get to know these systems and employ them is, as I like to say, is just like throwing money away. All right? So, if you have any questions, of course, hit the contact button and let us know. If you need more clarity on something, you need us to explain something more, by all means. We are not expert marketers, okay? So, the same goes with the products. We always look to improve our products to perfection, and so, we're always open to that. So anyways, feel free to contact us, any questions you may have or suggestions, and that's great. We hope to get you going and get your success story going on this site so others can see as well. And of course, but most of all, we hope that you become successful, and I think you hope that you become successful more than anyone else. So anyways, let's start this journey, and let's start trading Forex smartly and compounding. Thank you.